We're in Texas. It is Monday, January 26th. Anyway, we're just in bed all day because outside is completely miserable and it feels like temperature around 9 or 10. So excuse the mess, but I did want to show you that we have our little tiger, black tiger here. That's Leo, and then staring us down and giving us courage is our white tiger, and the house is total disaster because we're stuck inside with this terrible winter storm. So anyway, we're doing okay. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Well, the Texas cold storm soaked our bottom of our mattress. We had some leaking going on in the back and the side wall. We got a heater on it. You can't tell, but this bottom part of the mattress is soaked, and we're drying it out now. The biggest tragedy of this storm, though, is what it did to Ringo.
Can you see this? It looks kind of like turtle shell.
Yeah, either
It's
that
got
or
little squares all stuck
or if
together.
anybody wants to make a jigsaw puzzle out of Ringo's head, we've got it.
I think it looks more like a turtle shell.
He's taking all the stuff off this window so we can get more sun in here as well.
Yeah, it was pretty messed up. All of this is really wet. Even on the side here is really wet at the mess. And then all that in there is what I have to deal with.
Yeah.
Maybe not all of it, but a good portion of it.
Yep. So this is the aftermath of
Back up.
the first storm. Oh, and Piper has decided that she's going to help by laying on the clothes that we pulled down. Good job, Piper.
Hey, we had a leak in the roof and it rained really hard with a lot of winds. Down from over there into my closet, and I think these were wet too a little bit, but I just pulled back a lot of the wallpaper because it was wavy, and the wood is wet. And we had looked under the bed because this one flips up a couple days ago, and I couldn't tell that there was anything going on with the back wall, but I don't know if I was looking more at the floor, I think. So I think I need to look back under there again. But yeah, this is wet. Right. Oh no, I just sprayed it with vinegar. That's why it's wet. But you can tell this is wet. And that here, oh, that's all wet.
Looks like it could even be starting to get some mold. We should take that screen down and let some light in. That'll help.
Do you have a blade? The wallpaper sticks really hard here. You know, this is a 1993. 90, oh, I wrote 90 to 3 the other day. 92. And a lot of the wallpaper, you can see it's bubbled up, but it's not really lifting up. It is some, but it's really stuck good there. And see, this looks pretty good. I can't get to it. Yeah, and this doesn't want to come off either. Maybe like this piece, it's sticking out, but I got a little bit.
That starts to be dry there. If you can get under there and get it off with the 5-in-1.
Can you see it moving?
Yeah, oh yeah. just going to have to redo the luan.
So did I show you this? Like I can stick my finger behind it. I'm going to stop doing that though.
Yeah. We just want to dry that out, I think, first.
Yeah.
Okay, here comes the heater.
Oops.
Can you grab it?
The lady making my abode on the road, Leanne, she ended up replacing things in her kitchen and in one of her bathrooms. I think they have more than one. And they showed what she'd already done most of the kitchen, so I didn't see what the beginning of that looked like. I just saw mostly the end of it. And the bathroom, everything was just like, you know, it was just paper, and it was around the sink, it was starting to peel off. You know, this papery stuff. You know what I'm talking about? The veneer that's on this.
Yeah.
She was looking at what they were doing, and they went and bought a little sink vanity thing, cabinet, and just replaced the whole thing because it wasn't quality anything. I'm like, it's so frustrating that nobody has quality RVs. There's always something wrong. And it has nothing to do with driving. They're just not working to begin with. I remember when I worked at Lazy Days in Tampa, Florida, and one of the RV salesmen was saying is just what you need to do. He was stressed out. You could tell. He didn't go into detail of what was off. He says, but first you take your house and you put a hurricane inside of it. And that's what driving down the road in an RV does. And with the windows open, it feels like a hurricane back here. So should I undo this too?
No.
No?
I don't think so. It's not wet over there.
I know, I was just letting more sun in.
Actually, it would be good if you can stand it up, it would reflect back onto where we want to be. If it'll work that way. Yeah. Maybe not.
Some.
Okay.
Here.
Yay, trash man. Okay.
Apparently they don't recycle in Texas.
Let's set up the heater now and let it do its thing.
Most of it has dried, so we've been very lucky with that. My closet got wet and all the clothes inside had to be washed under the mattress. Well, the mattress was wet. That's how I discovered it. I started taking the sheets off. I started taking the sheets off, and the sheet was soaking wet. The whole side of my mattress on this side, my side of the bed, not my mattress, but my side of the bed was soaked.
For the most part, we got everything dried out. Got to put it together and concentrate on replacing some luan and wallpaper. Then we'll be okay. Thank you for watching. We are RV Nomads Karen and Kevin. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.